In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import Confluence spaces. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Confluence to bring content in from other tools or files, and how to export a space in the format that best fits your needs. First, open your Confluence site and head to the Spaces area. From there, look for the option to import from other tools. This is the central hub for bringing external content into Confluence. If you're moving from another platform, choose Import from Apps. You'll see options to import from Notion, Miro, or Mural. Pick the one that matches your source. This path guides you through connecting or uploading content from those apps so your pages and boards land in Confluence with minimal manual work. If a choice doesn't apply to you, simply back out and choose the one that does. You can also import from files. Select that route when you have exported content ready to upload. Choose HTML import, then click Select a zip file to upload. Point Confluence to your prepared zip file that contains the HTML export from your source. This is helpful when you already have a packaged export, and Confluence will handle unpacking and converting it into pages. Keep in mind that larger zips can take a while to process. If you hit permission issues or missing options, you may need help from an administrator. Now, let's export a space. Open the space you want to extract, then click the three dots near the space name and go to Space Settings. Under General, find Export. Here you'll choose the format based on your goal. PDF creates a clean, read-only snapshot of pages, great for sharing or archiving. CSV is useful if you need a structured list of content for reporting or analysis. For more control, open Advanced Options. XML is ideal for full fidelity backups and migrations back into Confluence later. HTML generates a browsable website-like version of your space. After choosing the format, click Next. Decide whether to include all content you have permission to view or only selected content. The first option is faster when you want everything. The second lets you narrow to specific pages or sections to keep exports small and focused. When your choices are set, click Export Space and let Confluence build the file. Download and store it securely, especially if it contains sensitive material. That's it, importing via apps or files and exporting to PDF, CSV, XML, or HTML, all from within Spaces and Space Settings. Follow these steps and you'll move content in and out of Confluence with confidence.